Is it really good for you? Watch our video so we'll share our own experience. Watch till the end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
You're considering Lose It for recipe import. Here's my honest review after using it for about 6 months. Overall, the recipe import feature is one of the most useful tools in Lose It if you cook at home regularly. Instead of manually entering every ingredient for every meal, you can save recipes and make tracking much faster over time. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. Once a recipe is added, the app calculates calories and nutritional information for the entire dish and breaks it down by serving size. This saves a lot of time compared to logging individual ingredients every single day. Another thing I like is consistency. If you have a few go-to meals that you cook every week, you can save them once and quickly log them whenever you eat them again. That makes long-term calorie tracking much easier and less frustrating. The feature is also helpful for macro tracking. Seeing the protein, carbohydrate, and fat brown for an entire recipe gives you a better understanding of how your homemade meals fit into your daily goals. However, there are some downsides. The biggest one is accuracy. Recipe imports are only as accurate as the ingredients and serving sizes you enter. If portions are estimated incorrectly, the calorie counts can be misleading. I also noticed that some imported recipes require manual adjustments. Ingredients don't always match perfectly, and occasionally you'll need to double-check nutritional values to make sure everything looks correct. Another thing to consider is that the setup process takes some effort initially. You need to build your recipe library before you start seeing the full time-saving benefits. After 6 months of use, I'd say Lose It Recipe Import is a great feature for people who cook frequently and want to make nutrition tracking more efficient. The key thing to watch before using it is accuracy. The feature can save a lot of time, but taking a few extra minutes to verify ingredients and serving sizes will make your tracking much more reliable.